What up, you guys? You tune in with your boy Southern Smoke Boss. So here I know cleaned up some turnip greens and mustard greens, and it's about to go down. You must have the greens on Thanksgiving, man. My favorite is turnip greens and mustard greens. Collards, it's okay, but I'd rather have this. I know y'all like, Southern Smoke got a lot of turnip greens, but by the time I finish cooking these, I bet I'm gonna have a frying pan full, man. So I got a couple ham hocks I'm gonna throw in here, about 3. And I'm gonna put a half cup of apple cider vinegar. And I'm gonna fill it up with water and go ahead and let it boil for a couple hours too. It's how I like them tender. But you can just make it in the tenderness of your likeness. Stay tuned, you guys. So our turnip and mustard greens are done. We're gonna go ahead and empty. I don't know about y'all, but I like to fry mine. You can fix yours to your preference. So if you like to eat them boiled, that was the way to eat them before you dump the juice. But I like mine fried in grease. Stay tuned. Medium, and I got some bacon grease here. This is I'm gonna fry my turnip greens up in. So we'll go ahead and let that warm up. Stay tuned, you guys. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my turnip greens in here, let them go ahead and fry down. I'm gonna go cut up me some, dice up me some onion to throw in here. And I'm gonna go pull my meat off my ham hock. Stay tuned, you guys. Yeah, so I know cut up my onions and ham hock. I'm gonna go ahead and add this in there. Let that simmer on down with it. Stay tuned. So here you have my final product of my turnip greens, man. I know let them fry it up, simmer down, whatever you wanna call it. But hey, happy holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed Thanksgiving. Thanks for tuning in to your boy Southern Smoke Boss today. Peace out.